Hi students, listen. So in this video we are going to see about message writing, that is how to write a message. This will contain 5 marks. Okay, so this is also similar to notice writing that we have seen already in the previous videos. So what is message writing? A message is an informal means of communication. Okay, so it is not a formal means of communication. You know, we can send a message to the formula irukano, hi, how are you, what are you doing, அப்படி ஃபார்மலாக இருக்கணுங்கிறது கிடையாது. ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை வி கால் இட் ஆஸ் அன் இன்ஃபார்மல் மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப் கம்யூனிகேஷன். The receiver of the message has to sift through the given message and pick out the most vital bits of information. So vital means important information. Then he or she should be able to reproduce that information in order to convey it to the person for whom it is intended. Okay, so after reading the message, the receiver of the message should reply the information, what is the message to be reproduced. Okay, so they should reply the message to the person who had sent the message. Okay, so what is the format for writing the messages? It should contain date, time, name of the person to whom the message is directed, body of the message, and name of the writer who is writing the message. So listen to the points to remember while writing a message. While writing the body of the message, the following points have to be kept in mind. So what are all the important points in writing the messages? Only the most important details should be written to. Okay, so we have to write only the important details. No new information should be added. So we should not add any new information. Grammatically correct sentences should be used. We have to use the sentences which without any grammatical error. Indirect or reported speech should be used. We have to write the message in a reported speech. Okay, she told that, he said that, like that. The message should be presented within a box. So like notice writing, we have to write the message also within a box. The word limit for a message is 50 words. Okay, so what is the limit for the messages? You should use only 50 words. So only the words in the body of the notice are counted. So இது அந்த பாக்ஸ்க்குள்ள body of the message இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸோ அதில் இருக்க that should contain only 50 words. So this is how you have to write a message. See, an example is given for us. See, body of the message means from this to this one. You should not count all these things. Okay, so it is not that exactly 50 words should be there. It can be more or less, no problem. It should not be very long and also it should not be very short. Example message: Riya, a student of class 10, is instructed by her teacher to convey to her classmates about the English Literary Club competitions which are to be held on 9/4/2019 in a nearby government school. Okay, so Riya, a 10th standard student, is instructed by her teacher to convey to her classmates about the, so she has to convey to her classmates என்ன மெசேஜ் அவங்க கன்வே பண்ணணும்னா about the English Literary Club competitions. Okay, so she has to convey message about the English Literary Club competition which is held in the school on 9/4/2009, which is held on 9/4/2019 in a nearby government school. பக்கத்தில் இருக்க government school. See, the date is given 3rd April 2019. So dear friends, our teacher has asked me to inform all of you about the English Literary Club competitions to be held on 9th of April at the nearby government higher secondary school. So our teaching, அதில் என்ன பார்த்தோம், points to rememberல we have to use indirect speech ன்னு பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. See, our class teacher has asked me to inform all of you. Okay, so this is reported speech about the English Literary Club competitions. What is the date? Which is to be held on 9th of April. In where it will be held? It will be held in the nearby government higher secondary school. So kindly get permission from your parents to attend the event. Okay, so get permission from your parents to attend the English Literary Club competitions in the nearby government school. If you wish to participate in the competitions, contact me at the earliest. Yara contact pannu, have to contact Ria. Okay, so this is the message about. Okay, so I think here it is given Srikanth, but it should be Ria. See, an exercise is given for you. You are the receptionist of your school. Your headmaster instructs you to send a message to all the parents of class 10 to attend a PTA, that is, it is an abbreviation, Parent Teacher Association meet, which is to be held on 22/12/2019. So you can change the date while you are writing. Okay, நம்ம இப்போ date change பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so you are the receptionist of your school. Your headmaster instructs you to send a message to all the parents of class 10 to attend a Parent Teacher Association meeting, which is to be held on 22/12/2019. So you can use a date in the future like 15/11/2020, like this. You can choose a date in a future time. Okay, so an exercise is given for you. So go through this example and do this exercise without any mistake, and before that you can go through the format for the message writing, and also you can go through the points to remember which is given. Okay, so this is message writing. Like notice writing, it is also a means of communication. Okay, so we can communicate a message to others, whoever it is, parents, teachers, school, students, to the public. Likewise, it is an informal means of communicating a message. Okay, I hope you can understand. Thank you.